Yes or no? That's what I'm saying. Totally, if you want to work in pharmaceutical industry, total activities we classified into 4. What is the first one? Operating of instruments and equipment. Second one? Preparations of solutions. What is third one? Documentation. Fourth one, note down, very important. Know the rules and regulations. Know the rules and regulations. You should know what to do, what not to do. What to do, what not to do. That's a very important point. Let us example, I'll tell you a small example. If you want to weigh some weight in the balance, okay, if you want to weigh something, so can I take the flask there, or can I weigh there, can I bring that weight to here? There is a people, see, this is, assume that this is butter paper, right? Assume that this is butter paper. They weigh like that. They weigh some standard weight or sample weight. They say like that, side please, side please, side. You should know the rules. You should not carry the weight to the workbench. You should take a flask to the balance and you have to transfer there, then you have to take it. And we should not carry, how, there is a people. I'll tell you the rules and regulations. I'm really saying that. There is a people like that. There is a people like that. There is a people. They move like that. No, industry is suffering with this. I'm really saying, I'm not joking. I'm not joking. Because if industries, why they get scared, these people are just coming from the colleges and doing like that. What I supposed to do? I want to carry 3. What I have to do?
You have to take a break.
Yes. Our education system is not giving these things. That is a problem, really saying that. You people are thinking that, sir, I complete Bpharmacy, I complete my MSc, but I'm not getting jobs. I'm not getting jobs. Yes, this is a way. If something fell down here, what happened? This is methanol, this is solvent, How much dangerous? The people should know, they don't know, if the freshers, they don't know whether can I add acid to water or water to acid, even though that is we are not getting. What is exothermic, what is endothermic? Recently as it happens, I don't want to take a company name. There is a one pressure, taken the, 100 ml of HCl, hydrochloric acid, and started to pouring the water. What happened? Total lab fumes. It's not a software job. It is a chemical job. Yes or no? It's a chemical job. Everyone can do the software job, but everyone cannot do the pharma job. Try to understand. Because pharmacy, recently one incident has happened, small incident, I don't want to take a name of the company also. Total blast. Only one person innocence. One fresher innocence, totally crores of money lost to the company. Understand my point? So try to understand that that's what I say, that if you want to work in pharma industry, don't focus to learn the only HPlC and GCs. I'm really saying that. You should learn that. Rules and regulations. What to do, what not to do. This is very important things, I'm really saying that. But people are not focusing. These are not getting in colleges. And industry is suffering to conduct these type of trainings. They are wasting the money to conduct these type of trainings. How to bring this glassware to the workbench. That's the reason I say that here we are trying to create such type of environment. Try to understand. The people get smile. Sir, what happens, sir, if I bring like that? As a student mentality feel that, no, you should take a tray. If I'm present, they do like that. If I'm not present, again, what they do? They carry like that. They feel that, sir, is this mistake? They feel that, is this big mistake? Yes, it's a big mistake. I'm really saying that. I'll tell you a small example. You can understand. You know how to drive the car. But you don't know traffic rules. What will happen? Tell me. Accident. Who is going to lose? You only or others also? If you lost, that's okay. If you're trying to bring them other lives also risk, right? Same way, if you don't know the rules and regulations, if you enter into the pharma industry, how to carry these methanol bottles or acid bottles, if you carry like that, you're not in the risk. I'm really saying that total entire lab, you bring them into the risk. I'm really saying that. That's what. If you want to work in pharmaceutical industry, you should know the rules and the regulations. What to do, what not to do.